of is that there is, according to our survey, the perception of men and women towards violent extremism is almost equal. And therefore, it's very important for us to make sure when we are developing strategies, when we are developing intervention, we should never leave women out. Most of the women we spoke to had almost similar understanding, had almost similar opinions, had almost similar feelings towards violent extremism. And that is very important because now we are more informed on how we can come up, how we can develop effective strategies without leaving the women on the roadside. Number two, important finding that is there in the document that you are holding is that now it is more than clear that the extremists are targeting women as a soft spot so that they can use them either as recruiters, they can use them as suicide bomber, they can also use them as nurturer of creating more violent extremists in the society. And therefore, this is a very interesting information because it will help us now understand how we can exploit and take control on our sisters, mothers, okay, wives, so that they can be able to play the role that they need to play without them feeling neglected, so that their weight is felt in terms of countering and preventing violent extremism. Number three, which is also a major finding of this survey, is that there is a very big gap when it comes to analyzing the variables, the factors, the push and pull factors in terms of gender comparison, in terms of gender analysis, in terms of focusing more on males than female. We need to do more research, in fact, to be able to come out with findings that will be able to enlighten us how much we need to use women, put them on the forefront so that they can be able to do much greater work than the other. I was trying to confirm the finding just 2 days ago when I was in Garissa and I was working with about 55 women, and it's like the same thing was like confirmed, that this is an issue that has to be given a lot of emphasis. What emphasis? Empowering women to prevent and counter violent extremism. The same sentiments came out when we were talking to 60 women in Gariseni in Tana River, and this actually has even